Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase StudioCart Pro plugin for your WordPress website from Bloggingify store. So let's get started. So first open your browser and type for Bloggingify store. Don't worry, I will share you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will redirect on here. Okay. So here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with lifetime auto upgrade. We don't sell crack and null. We sell 100% original genuine items. So you will receive automatic update from your WordPress dashboard. So here you can see a search icon, and if you need anything else, so just click on this search icon, type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about StudioCart Pro. So let me just search StudioCart, and here you can see some details about this product, and here's the pricing in USD is $15. Okay, so here is the currency switcher button. So just click on this INR or USD button, so you can switch currency with your country. Okay, so here's the details about this product. Here are the details about this product. So let me explain you one by one. Uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update, installation manually. We will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. License type original license key we have, so you will receive automatic update from your WordPress dashboard, and you will get latest version every time. Okay, so if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button and fill billing information there and select your payment method. So if you're from India, you can select cash free and phone pay, and if you're outside of India, you can select just PayPal and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect here, and here you can see a download button. So just click on this download button and a file will download on your computer laptop. So just open this file and you will see our premium contact support there. So just share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, you can do again a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much guys for watching this video.